Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what you need: your product key, an administrator account, and a stable internet connection. Once those are ready, download the Trend Micro Internet Security Installer and save it to your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer to start. If prompted, allow the app to make changes. The installer will verify system requirements and may fetch additional components online, so keep your connection active. You're now past setup and into the activation flow. Next, you'll sign in and apply the key. Once the installer hands you off, open Trend Micro and choose Sign In or Enter Product Key depending on your purchase. If signing in, use the email tied to the subscription. If entering a key, paste it exactly. You'll see online verification and possibly a choice of device protection settings. Pick the default if unsure. The software registers your device to the account. Make sure any firewall prompts allow Trend Micro to communicate. After verification, the product activates and downloads the latest protection updates automatically. To finish, run an update immediately so signatures are current, then perform a full system scan to baseline your system. Make sure real-time protection and scheduled scans are enabled in settings so you stay protected. If activation fails, first verify the product key and that your system clock is correct. Mismatched time often blocks validation. Also confirm a working internet connection and that no VPN or proxy is interfering. If issues persist, restart the PC and try re-entering the key. This clears most transient errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.